Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to e-file in District Court full guide. Begin by organizing your complaint, summons, and exhibits into clear PDFs. Create an account on the court portal and confirm your email. Verify system requirements, then add parties and choose the precise filing event. Attach exhibits with accurate file names, confirm document size limits, and review your filing for errors before moving to the payment and final submit step. Start by choosing the filing event that matches your document, such as complaint, motion, or response. Upload PDFs in the order you want them docketed and include a cover sheet when required. Use the portal previews to confirm page order and clarity. Add fee codes or fee waiver documentation as needed and enter the case number exactly. Save drafts if provided, then proceed to payment or submit for clerk review when everything is accurate. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like the video to help others find it. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for reliable comfort during long courthouse runs and stressful e-filing sessions. I use them when I'm sprinting between hearings and deadlines. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After you submit, expect an immediate acknowledgement with a confirmation number and timestamps. Watch the docket for the clerk's acceptance, proposed corrections, or entry of a filing fee status. If rejected, follow the clerk's instructions precisely and refile quickly to avoid missed deadlines or service issues. Serve opposing parties according to local rules and save all confirmations. Keep organized records of each filing and payment for your case file and future reference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.